In this video, we're going to have a look at solving an equation that takes a nice hidden quadratic format and has exponentials in. So what we can do to solve this equation is we can use a substitution to be able to write our equation in a format that we're more used to. So for example, I can use the substitution y is equal to 3 to the power of x. Because what I can now do is rewrite this equation as y squared minus 5y plus 4 equals 0. And this is a quadratic, and we know how to solve quadratics. So an easy way to solve this quadratic would be to factorise it, but you could also use the quadratic formula. So when we factorise it, we're going to get y minus 1 and y minus 4. So that means that our solutions to this equation are y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Now what we need to do is come back to our substitution. So we're trying to solve x, not y. So y was equal to 3 to the power of x. So that means 3 to the power of x is equal to 1, or 3 to the power of x is equal to 4. Now I can use my logarithms to be able to solve these equations. So for my first one, I'm going to take logs of both sides. I'm going to get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 1. And on the second one, I'm going to get log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 4. Now I'm going to use my power rule to bring down those powers. So x is equal to log 3 is equal to log 1, and x log 3 is equal to log 4. Lastly, I can divide by the log 3's to leave my x on its own. So I'm going to get log 1 divided by log 3 for my first solution. And for my second solution, I'm going to get log 4 divided by log 3. These are the exact forms. If I wanted to, I could pop these into my calculator and I could get 0 for my first one because log 1 is 0. So 0 divided by log 3 is 0. And then for my second solution, I'm going to get x is equal to 1.26 to 2 decimal places.